Today we are going to discuss how to open and close day in the Milagro Smart POS app. So the first thing we do is we want to go ahead and log in. If you're not already clocked in, it will force you to clock in. So I'm going to go ahead and press clock in. So now it's taking me to select my payment method on this specific terminal. If this is cash and card, you'll select that. If it's card only, you'll have another option that you could select card only. Going to go ahead and do cash and card, enter our beginning balance, let's say $250, and now the day is open, so we can go ahead and conduct transactions. We'll go ahead and start a transaction, that way we can close the day as well. We'll select an item, we'll give it an option, we'll select some modifiers, go ahead and confirm the order. Once you confirm, it'll send it to the kitchen, and then we'll go ahead and pay for the transaction. In this case, we don't have a printer connected, so it's taking a bit longer. We'll go ahead and hit pay bill. We'll go ahead and cash out, let's say $20. And now the transaction is closed. Now that we've conducted the transaction, we've already clocked in, we can go ahead and declare our cash tips. And then after we declare the cash tips, we can go ahead and close the day. If your operation or business does not require a tip, then you can just skip the cash declaration tip and it will not force you to do that. So in this case, we do have a 12% enforcement for cash tips. So if I hit end day, it'll say declare cash tip is pending. So I would have to go through each server who has had sales and declare the cash tips. In this case, we're going to go ahead and hit declare cash tips. Notice that it says minimum required is 12%, so we'll just go ahead and hit $2. Now that's done, we'll close out, and now we can actually close our day. So we're going to hit end day. It'll tell us that sales summary, the payout, all of the summary is on the left side of the screen here. We're going to go ahead and put in $265 because we had a sale. We'll hit enter. And now it's going to go ahead and settle all of the tips with the credit card processing, and it will automatically clock all the users out, and it will officially close the day, and the sales report will be updated across the cloud everywhere. Now if we try to reopen the day, we'll have to go through the same procedure. So typically beginning of the day, you will go ahead and clock in. At the end of the day, the manager will close the day, and you repeat that process every morning and every evening when you close your day. It's important to note that if you do not close your day, your sales will continuously keep adding to the original day that you started, and your credit card transactions will not settle, which means those funds will not be deposited to your account if you do not close your day. This was a quick summary about how to open and close days.